Class, welcome to week 8. Week 8 is our abbreviated week. Hopefully it gives you some time to work on your website and make sure it's ready for our marketing launch that will happen here in a couple weeks. So we will focus on ads and ad groups this week, and you'll have your discussion and reflection. So again, a pretty simple week. Let me walk you through the assignment, and we can get into a little bit more detail on those responsibilities. So you have what we're getting into is writing expanded text ads, and so there's a lot of different ads you can do for Google. There's picture and video ads. We're focusing on expanded text ads. That's a traditional ad for Google. And if you come down, what we're really looking for is a rewritten ad. And I'm jumping to the end. I'll jump up on how we'll get through this, but then you'll explain one concept from the reading. Write successful text ads that you incorporated into your ad. So the idea on this, here's the reading that you need to incorporate a reference from that. The idea on this is that it takes a lot of iterations, just like a lot of things we've worked on already. It takes repetition. It takes practice to get good keywords. It takes repetition and practice to get a lot of these principles down. And so writing ads is no different. And the idea is that we want you to write multiple ads to really get a feel for what's going to work for you, what you like, what seems right to your potential clientele. So if you go through a couple rewrites on these ads, then you'll be able to take that final rewritten ad and copy and paste it in here. Please note that Google expanded text ads should have a headline and then a URL, and then below that just a brief what we might call a hook, or the actual advertisement. So you'll find more about that in writing successful text ads, but I'd like you to include each component of that into your ad. So we want to get it in the right format. And that'll be it. Again, just make sure you reference a concept or principle from the reading, and then you can turn in your discussion and reflection. So a nice abbreviated week this week. Reach out if there's something on this week or your website that you're working on that I can help you with. Thanks, everybody.